Hello everyone! A lot of people, when considering to install the polystyrene tiles, face the same dilemma: to paint or not to paint. This is a question. Well, unfortunately, each and every one of you will have to answer the question yourself. What I can tell you, you can basically leave the tiles unpainted. These tiles that you see right now, they're not painted. They have a natural white, bright white color, and as you can probably see, they have a little bit of a sheen. So this tile is something in between the eggshell to semi-gloss finish. Personally, I would recommend to paint the tiles. They will have more uniform, flat look and more like a plaster or natural, like a gypsum. It's more. I think it looks more beautiful. It's definitely a richer look. Now, you have to, what I would definitely recommend is to install the tiles first and not to paint them before the installation, especially if you're working with a tiles with tile like that with a flat design, because once you finish the painting, when the paint dries, it may warp a tile a bit and it will make your installation way more difficult. Another thing to consider is, unfortunately, we do not live in a perfect world, and the edges of the tile are not perfect. So when you install, when you butt join, especially on the corners, sometimes corners a bit rounded. So when you have a cross section of like 4 tiles meet together, you may see little cracks. And this is a white paintable caulk will make your joints just perfect. They will. I would definitely recommend to, once you finish the installation, to put a bit of white paintable caulk. It will ensure the nice smooth transition between the tiles. It will hide all the imperfections, and it's another reason to paint after the installation. After that, you can paint everything and it will have nice smooth finish. Now, you don't need any special paints for this type of tiles. I would recommend to go with a plain flat ceiling paint. It's the best one. As for the roller, the only thing you have to pick, if you're going to come to the painting department, just choose the fluffy one, the same type of roller you would use to paint popcorn. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to demonstrate you how the tiles can be painted. On purpose, I picked up the tile with a heavy, thick design, one of the most difficult to paint, and now I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do. So, I'm just gonna pour some. So as you can probably see, the fluffy roller, that's the idea, to use the fluffy one versus the flat one. It will ensure the penetration of the paint to the all deepest part of the design. And this is it. Another question that we've been constantly asked, whether you should prime the tiles first. Well, if you want to do the things right, yes, the primer will help to get a more even finish for the paint. The thing is, right now you can find a lot of paints that come already with a primer. It's the one that I'm just using. It comes with a primer, so win-win. I would recommend to use this one. And as with the regular painting, you probably need 2 coats of paint, and then you have a perfectly nice flat finish. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channels and see you soon. Thank you.